So today I'll be showing you how to install the Lenovo Vantage application on your Lenovo laptop. Now that app allows you to do many different things and set up a few things inside your Lenovo laptop. So to install that app, in case your Lenovo laptop doesn't have it, simply go to the Microsoft Store. Okay, so find the Microsoft Store on your Windows computer. And in the Microsoft Store, just search for Lenovo Vantage. So just search for that app. And you should see it in the results, and it's free to install. Okay, so all you have to do is just click on the Get button. And then it's going to start installing. It's really that simple. So once it's done, it will let you know in the bottom right corner, and also this button will now change to open. Okay, so you can open from there, but in future all you have to do is go to the search function and search for Lenovo Vantage, and you can launch the app from there. So it says Lenovo Vantage services is critical to help you manage your device settings. Please click yes in the next user account to control that. So just gonna click OK. It's starting Lenovo Vantage. Let's just give it a moment there. So it's almost done. And now it's done. So it's basically reading through the system settings and the hardware devices on this particular laptop. So it says launch on startup. No, I don't want that. Then you have to read and agree. Let's have a look at this. So there is your Lenovo Vantage application. All right, so it has information and settings, and you can see more in-depth information about your Lenovo laptop. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any comments or questions, feel free to talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.